Here this is one of the shortcut method to fill the blank cells. Okay, so just we just follow this entire 8 steps. So just place this values or some of the text here. So I want to just fill this empty cells. Okay, so first just follow these steps, fill the data. I already filled this data, then select, then from to this end I selected, then press F5, then click F5. So go to the special, then click blanks. Okay, then click OK, then press F2. Okay, I just press F2. So here this cursor bar is blinking. Then enter the previous cell location. What's the previous cell location means? This one I4. Okay, so equal to I4. After enter this location, press Ctrl Enter. So Ctrl Enter. Here all the values were filled. Okay, if you want to enter this any other numeric values, like for example 2, 1, 2, 5, something else. Okay, so this is also a same concept. First of all, select the entire values, entire location, then press F5, click special, click blank, then press OK, then click F2. Okay, F2, then cursor is blinking, then equal to enter the previous cell location. Previous cell location means I4. So I4, then press Ctrl Enter. So press Ctrl Enter. Okay, here all the values were filled automatically. Thank you.